you think that maybe this issue wasn't even just affecting your eating, but also affecting some of your relationships too?
Oh, for sure. It was affecting my relationships, especially with my husband. And then also to say, um, to just pick up on something that you said a minute ago, where you said, because I know how all minds work. I know how the mind works. I know how all minds work. That was one of the remarkable things. And I'll come back to my husband in a second. But that was one of the remarkable things about the group, was it's like, these are, 18, 20 women that I don't know at all. I've never met before. I wasn't really in the community prior to this. And yet we're in these group sessions, we're in the coaching sessions, we're in the group together, we're going through these lessons together, and we're all finding out, like, all of our lower brains are doing the same things, responding the same ways, making the same suggestions. It's like, well, wait a minute, like, are we all tapped into some consciousness? Like, no, we're all doing these same things together. So for sure, it was a situation where you helped me recognize, like, oh, my lower brain wants to outsource responsibility for my decisions. And so there's two parts to it. There's the impulsivity, and then there's the saying, like, now I'm doing it to be rebellious. Like, now it creates, like, it's part of the habit loop almost. And it was in my relationship where it was like, deflecting responsibility onto my husband for my impulsiveness, right? Which is entirely my responsibility. So it's been really helpful with that. And it's been really helpful in other relationships where you start to be less reactive overall, because the lower brain isn't just in your relationship with food and exercise. It's in your life. You know what I mean? It's in every relationship. So suddenly being able to be less reactive, at work, or less reactive with friends, or less impulsive in those situations, has also been really helpful.